The primary advantage of ClickBank, aside from the fact that it's a virtual goldmine for affiliates, is the innate simplicity of using and implementing it. Once you join ClickBank for free, you'll have your own personal ID, which in turn will be included in any of your product affiliate links. To find products that fit your niche market or target audience, all you need to do is visit the ClickBank marketplace and enter a keyword into the Find Products search box. The marketplace also divides the products into main categories. You can see these categories on the left-hand side. Clicking on any of those category links will allow you to drill down even farther. For example, if you click on Health and Fitness, you'll receive a list of subcategories that include addiction, beauty, dental health dietary supplements, etc. The first 10 listings in each category or subcategory are the most popular products at this time. This allows you to see at a glance which products are making the most amount of money for their affiliates, but that doesn't mean you should choose any of the top 10. Sometimes it's much more productive to go with one of the lower listings and then make it a top earner for you personally. For one thing, you won't have as much competition. Secondly, it will force you to get a bit more creative with your marketing and promotion. Of course, the basic product selection criteria still applies here. With any product you're considering, for example, you still need to click over to their sales page and establish how good it will be in converting prospects to buyers. Aside from evaluating the sales copy, you also need to make certain that their sales process doesn't sabotage your own efforts. Things like allowing people to purchase through alternative methods which would bypass or exclude your ClickBank affiliate link, selling various non-related products on the same page. Products are being sold on the same page, but the link doesn't give credit to your ClickBank affiliate ID. Overall, you want to see a nice clean sales page that is focused on the one ClickBank product you're promoting and nothing else. If the sales page doesn't do that, and it's diluted with all sorts of other things that benefit the owner but not you, pass on the product and find one that is worth your time and effort. Once you have chosen the right products, you'll need to begin marketing and promotion. And since there's no more effective and profitable method than using pay-per-click, the perfect money-making combination is ClickBank affiliate products with Bing and Yahoo advertising. The power of pay-per-click is undeniable. It allows you the ability to advertise directly to highly targeted audiences, display your ad almost immediately, start bringing in money almost immediately, link directly to any landing page, keep accurate and highly advanced ad statistics. Of course, the success of your pay-per-click campaigns will be dependent almost entirely on the strength of the keywords you've selected. Keep in mind that the winning formula is to choose keywords that are widely searched for but have little or no competition. In order to conduct that type of research, you have two choices: invest a great deal of time sorting through all that data, or simply use a tool like SpyFu. SpyFu exposes the search marketing secret formula of your most successful competitors. You can discover your competitors' most lucrative keywords and easily weed out money-wasting keywords. Plus, you can find the best ad copy so you can copy what works. But rather than simply use SpyFu to find awesome keywords, you can also use it to find the best markets, even before you locate any products. Then, once you've unveiled the most promising campaign possibilities, you can use ClickBank to locate specific items to promote.